Hello, boys and girls. Today for Skills Unit 6, we are doing Lesson 9. Let's go to our primary focus slide and see what our goals are for this lesson. Okay, we are rereading the chapter called The Warhawks. I know it says in small groups. You are going to do that independently on your own or with somebody at home. You're going to answer written true and false questions, citing where the answer is found in the text. You're also going to be identifying verbs and adverbs in oral and written sentences. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you are going to reread the chapter called The Warhawks. Once you're finished with that, you're completing activity page 9.1. Let's read through the directions together. If a statement is correct, write true on the line. If a statement is not correct, write false on the line. You are also going to write the page number where you found that statement was true or false. So number 1, most American merchants and traders wanted to declare war on Great Britain. Many Americans who lived in Western states wanted to declare war on Great Britain. Was that true or false? You're going to write true if it's true or write false if it is false. You're going to find in your story where you found that answer, and you're going to write the page number on the line where it says page. Okay, you can pause this video now and do all of that, or you can do it at the end. Let's go ahead and move on. Let's review some adverbs. I would like for you to identify the verb and adverb in each sentence. For example, number 1, I cried quietly last night. What is the verb in that sentence? Cried. Okay, remember verb is an action word, so cried is the verb. And the adverb is the word that is describing cried. So quietly would be the adverb in that sentence. Let's go to number 2. My father snores loudly. What is the verb in that sentence? Okay, if you said snores, you are correct. Now, what is the adverb? What's the word describing snores? Okay, yes, loudly. If you said loudly, you are correct. Let's move on to number 3. The moon shines brightly at night. What is the verb? What is the action word in that sentence? The action word, the verb, is shines. Okay, what is the adverb in that sentence? If you said brightly, you are correct. The moon shines brightly. Okay, number 4. The kids play nicely together. What is the verb in that sentence? Action word. All right, if you said play, you are correct. Now, what is the adverb in that sentence? Adverb is nicely. So if you said nicely, nice job. Number 5, we ate supper early, so we could go to the movies on time. What is the verb in that sentence? If you said ate, you are correct. Now, what is the adverb? This one's tricky. Early is the adverb in that sentence. Okay, let's go on. Now that we went over adverbs, we're going to page 9.2. Let's read through the directions. Read each sentence and draw a wiggly line under each verb and a triangle around the adverb. Then draw an arrow from the adverb pointing to the verb. Okay, let's look at the example that they gave us. I quickly made my bed. First, identify the verb, which is made. They drew their wiggly line under made because it is the verb. Okay, what word is describing made? Quickly. That is the adverb. That's why they drew the triangle around quickly. Okay, and quickly is describing made, so we draw an arrow from quickly to made. Okay, let's try number 1. I rode my bike slowly up the hill. What is the verb in that sentence? If you said road, you are correct. Okay, so wiggly line drawn under road. Now, what word is describing how you rode your bike? I rode my bike slowly up the hill. What is the adverb? The word describing road. If you said slowly, you are correct. So your triangle is drawn around slowly. And now where are you going to draw your arrow? You draw your arrow from your adverb to your verb. So from slowly to road. Okay? All right, you are going to complete this activity page, and that is it today for skills. Okay, don't forget to study those spelling words. Your test is in our next lesson. Okay? All right, boys and girls, have a good day.